Hello, I'm Ajal Palakhani and today I'm going to present you pandas with a data frame. So first is what is the today's discussion. The first is what is pandas, in which I will give you the basic description of pandas. The next is data frame and command, what type of data frame we can choose and what is the feature of data frame that we discuss in this section. And the third is pandas operation. There are the many operation we can perform on the data frame, like lock, ilock, head, tail, minimum and maximum. Fourth is selecting a data, in which I will select the one CSV file to perform all the command on it. And the next is plotting using the panda. It gives the uh, visualization site to our data using the many of libraries such as matplotlib. The next is what is the panda. Panda is a one Python module that is developed by Nikki in 2008. And the panda is the name is derived from panel data. And basically, the Panda is open source Python library providing the easy data manipulation and analysis tool. The feature of Panda, the data element and data alignment and integrated handling of missing data. We can easily replace our missing data by some specific value. And the next is fast and efficient data frame object with a customized indexing. We can give the customized name to our index value. I will show you in the next. I will show you in next in HTML file. High performance by grouping. We can group the column, and by this we can easily analysis our data. So the data frame, here you can see this two-dimensional data structure. This is my data frame, and it shows the data of employee, and it contains file name, first name, last name, position, office, postal code, age, join date, sender, salary, and email. So the next is pandas operation. Here some of this pandas operation I will explain you. The head returns the first n rows. For example, if we put 5 in the bracket, it gives the first 5 row of data frame. Similarly, tail gives us last n rows from the bottom. Lock command gives us a specific row but by name, but ilock, it gives the specific row but numeric with a numeric value. It is the difference between lock and ilock. Count gives the total value of column. Minimum returns the minimum value of column or a data frame. Maximum returns the maximum value of data frame. Fill with this command we can replace the none value with specific value. Info gives all the detail of data frame. So data in a library. Here I will show you my HTML file. This is my data frame and I put all the detail manually, and I will we can see our data by just our name of data frame. Here you can see that, and I perform. First I insert employee ID as an index. So here you can see this, my index is with the employee ID, and then I perform lock command, and here I put the word as I mentioned earlier. Here I put the word. So I get all the detail of Paul, and next is ilock. Here I put the numeric value 5. So you can see the all the detail of employee which index is 5. And the next is, here I alter the column. uh, here I modify the column age by join date and join date by age. So I and the next is count. It gives me the total number of value in a column. And next is maximum. It gives me the maximum value of data frame. And minimum value, you can say that median is same as median gives us median value. And describe, it describes all the data frame. Minimum standard, minimum 25%, 50%, 75%, and maximum. Next is here I select this CSV file as my data set, and this is the location, and it gives the all info of that data set. It contains this column ID, index, year, command, and count. But you can see that count has some of none value, so here I replace the none value by using fillna command. So now it is better. Fillna, here it is. So now you can see that it is replaced by 0 point 0 and head and tail command. It gives me the 10 rows of first 10 row of my data set, and it gives me the last 10 rows of my data set. And the next is here I show the correlation of my data frame, and here it is the bar chart. Bar chart shows the command versus count. So back to this slide. The next is glimpse of panda operation that I show you in HTML file. So here is the same operation that I show you in a slide. The next is plotting. We can give the visualization site to our data by many of libraries such as Matplotlib, Plotly. So the first is here I show you the scatter plot by using the Matplotlib. The same will I show you in this HTML file. You can see this. Here I import the library Matplotlib Seaborn, and this is my chart. It will show you the year on a y-axis and a count as an x-axis. So this is my chart, and this is a second one is swamp plot chart. And here on here I also import the plotly and cuff links, and this also gives me the visualization of my data. So the next is this chart scatter plot by using plotly. So this is my third chart. You can see this all the details are we can analyze in a very easy way. The fourth, this is simple plotting graph, but it is very interactive. It gives me all the detail by just hovering the cursor. You can see that specialized operation command has a 13 count. So this is all this is all the graph that I show you, and this is my reference and link for this presentation. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed.